Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to design a part in Ansys SpaceClaim and how to mesh a part within Ansys SpaceClaim environment. Please subscribe this channel for more video, and if you enjoy this video please do not forget to press the like button. Let's start the activity. You can import an image in SpaceClaim for your reference. First we will study the starting point for the part design. Here you can see the isometric view of the design. To make a 2D sketch we will define an axis. Looking at this arrow, we will consider this side as an elevation view for the part. By providing x-axis like this, and y-axis like this. Therefore in this xy plane, we will make a closed loop with line tool. And we will extrude this enclosed area as 40 mm to complete this part. In Z direction. Select File menu and add a new design file. First close the active sketch. Click on New Sketch tool. Select a XY plane by clicking on Z axis, as this will act normal to the XY plane. Select a line tool and follow the steps. Close the loop by clicking on Starting Point. You can see here that Auto Constraints, Snap to Grid and Snap to Angle commands are kept on. Finish the sketch by clicking on this tool. For the closed sketch, Pull option will be activated automatically to the direction, normal to the sketch. Enter the extrude dimension and press the Enter key. You can see that part is completed. We will verify the dimensions. Select Measure tool to check the dimensions. Select Edge to know the length. You can select two faces and their geometric properties will be displayed. You can see face-to-face offset is 10 mm as defined in the drawing. Verify other dimensions. Now we will see that how you can annotate the dimensions in the 3D part. Click on Dimensions tool and select the Annotate plane. Select Edge to mark its dimension. You can mark other dimensions as per your choice by selecting two faces or two edges to provide geometric reference between them. This is just for your reference. Now we will move to the meshing. Delete this annotation plane. To turn on Mesh tool, please go to the File menu. Click on SpaceClaim Options. Select a Customize option. Click on Ribbon tabs. Turn on Mesh and click OK. You can see that Mesh tool is added to the Ribbon tab. This button will turn on and turn off the meshing tools. Now we will select this solid for meshing it. We will select Structural Physics to proceed further, as this part we will use for the structural purpose. Now we will select the part to mesh by clicking on this icon. Select solid part from the tree. Now we will check and edit the meshing parameters. You can change the order for elements here. You can edit element mesh size here. Here you can change blocking type. We will keep the standard type of block. We will provide 5 mm element size. You can also change other parameters based on complexity of part. You can turn on and turn off curvature and proximity controls. We will select linear element order. Click on green tick mark to consider all meshing parameters and generate the mesh. Mesh for selected body has been generated, and you can see that the solid part has been suppressed for the physics. You can see that single swept block is generated for this solid. Mesh update is turned on, means if you change any mesh parameters, the mesh will be refreshed automatically. You can turn on and turn off auto update with this tool. You can modify mesh display settings with this option. One option is show mesh and hide mesh elements. Now we will check the element quality, and if needed we will improve it. You can see different element quality parameters from drop-down list. We can see that the prism elements are created, and we can improve the mesh quality at that location. This contour will show you the minimum and maximum range for the selected quality metric. As you know, this length is 10 mm and there are 3 divisions at this edge. We will modify this edge divisions to 2 with edge sizing option. Click on size option. Select edge. Reduce number of divisions to 2. And click on green tick mark. Mesh has been updated. We have achieved high mesh quality. Check other parameters also. Quality is improved. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel to get more updates. Please provide your comment to know valuable suggestions to improve this channel.